Hello, this is Ben Hawk, and I've had several requests for me to do a actual video on my photo booth and how I do my photos. Let me start with, let me climb up here onto this. Give you a close-up view. You can see right here, I have a 2x2. Okay, that takes it away from the wall. This is a 1x4. Goes all the way across to this 2x2 right here, and that basically goes into the two beams. Okay, then to be able to come out past where the shade's going to be, okay, I have a 1x2, and I had to cut that. I had to cut that small so that this, which I get at the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General, can hang in between there. Okay, then I have another 2x2, and then that's all bolted together. Okay, and then put into, it's basically bolted into the 1x3, 1x4. It's a 1x4. I'm sorry. Then you have to buy the shades. Okay, make sure you buy these as well, because the mounting hardware for the shades does not come with the shades. Okay, I wasted a day. You're gonna have to excuse the mess because I just got a bunch of stuff. I went thrifting over the weekend. Anyway, this is the one you want. Alexa, turn on the photo lights.
Okay. This
is the one you want. 55 1/4 by 72 inches. Okay, Levalor or whatever that name is. Okay, I have two. I have an extra one just so when this one wears out. Okay, you mount your mounts on, and then you hang up your shade. Okay. Now this does two things. I mean, basically it makes it so that you can put it away. I'm going to take this, put it over here. Now what we do is we bring this down, bring it down to there, and we can take our mannequin. Oops. See how that, once I put it in, it's actually right past that. So now there's no interference. I can actually pull this up and down. Take your mannequin, mount him up. Okay. Now the thing is, this will also, and I actually like to, when I do the photos, I bring it all the way down. Come on. Come on, I know you come further. I think I have it too tight is what I have it. Okay, bring it all the way down. Hang your mannequin back up. Okay. Now, my camera, again, please excuse the mess. I major thrifting this weekend. Okay, turn this on and take a picture there. You can see it. Come over to the side. Take a picture there. You can see it. Again, to this side. Take a picture there. There you can see it. Come up close, that's a little bit off. Come up close, get a shoulder shot, and then I'll crop that down. Because this has patchwork on it, I want to get a picture of that. And you can see the picture. Then take this, turn it around, and it's got some dirt on there. Come around, I'll come back here, take a picture, got my shot, And because this has embroidery back here, I'll take a picture of that so that they can see that and you can see it. Then basically what I do, of course that'll be cut off. Hold on. I'm going to go ahead and just cut that off. And what I do is I take that like that. Take my camera, and usually I'll have to switch it like this because there's no way to. And then take that shot. And then what I'll do is when I work on it, I'll flip that. And that's pretty much it. That's the photo of clothing. And of course I take my measurements, one flat lay across there, the pits, and then from here to here. And if it's a sleeve, if it's got a long sleeve, I'll take it from there to the bottom. Now this, like I said, this also does the hard goods. Take him, put him over there. Let's see if we can get this to come down a bit more. Nope. I have that way too tight, I guess. Okay. Take that. And you can see, now I have the full thing. Let's say I want to take pictures of, well, let's say Harley Bear here. I got him off this weekend. Okay, I have these right here that gets it up off the ground, off the thing and everything. And then I'll just take a picture of him. I'll get several different angles. You can get 12 pictures. I try and get as many pictures as I possibly can without having repetitive pictures. And of course, because this is a Build-A-Bear, I want to get a picture of the Build-A-Bear tag. That, and then set him down. He's got the Build-A-Bear feet. Like that. As you can see, I have a Canon EOS Rebel T6. I love this camera. Funny thing is, I was at the Goodwill the other day and I found a lens, and that lens sells for like $80. I got home and it fits my camera, and I love this lens. And that lens is the 2.5, I don't know. Oh, EFS 18-1. I'm sorry, 18-55 millimeter. But yeah, I love that lens versus the other lens that comes with it. But yeah, and then once I have all our pictures, he's riding low, we'll go online and post them. But I mean, the pictures come out really nice. And I'm going to flash the pictures into the video so that you can see the pictures that I take, so you can see how they come out. This is Ben Hawk. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you out. And if this works for you, if you try this out and it worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be posting a lot of new videos. I'm going to start doing storage units, and I'll be doing storage unit videos. And just different kinds of videos, so keep an eye out. Hit the like button and the bell, and you'll be notified when I put out a new video. So again, this is Ben Hawk. Have a cha-ching day.